Let me preface this by saying that in an enlightened culture where research is conducted and documentation of that research is presented to the public, it is critical that all sources be properly formatted. The rules for that formatting depend upon the type of document it is that's being presented. If there was another AI app that would create a properly formatted works cited, I would use it, but there isn't. So we're going to use Easybib and we're going to be friends with it. But in case it's a situation where Easybib is just not working, I'm going to show you how to create the citations properly despite that error message. Let's start by going to Easybib together. Most importantly, I've already cleared my cache, I've cleared my browsing history, I've rebooted my computer, and I'm ready to get going. And I'm going to export, and if I try to export in Word, which comes free for us in our Outlook email, there's a little 20-second video that shows you that. I'm going to try Word, or I'm going to try Google Docs, and if I get error messages and I can't get past this, then I'm going to just click out of here and I'm going to manually place these citations into a document, and then I'm going to manually format them correctly. I'm going to check my example to remind myself what the works cited page looks like when it's completed. The first words are at the margin. Any second lines are indented. I always show the URL, but I need to make sure that the URL is not a live or blue link. So let's go over here and see how we can format this quickly together. I copied and pasted those from Easybib into this document, and I'm getting ready to quickly format. Okay, so I'm looking at this to see if it's okay, but that's how the citation appeared. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to click all of these, and we know that they need to be double spaced. Now that worked, but we have a gap here. Instead of 2 lines, we have created 4. So we're going to go up here to Layout, and we're going to remove these auto, and that should let us simply take out that extra space by backspacing. But that made a mess because now look. So I'm going to click Enter, and that brings it back over to the margin, and it keeps everything indented. I'm going to do the same process here since I've removed those spacing issues, and I know that when I click backspace it's going to do that, but I click Enter and it brings it back there. But look what it did. It made this a live URL. So I'm going to simply click this, right click, remove the hyperlink. Now everything's all perfect, but I need to add the title, and I'm going to come 2 spaces only, Home, Center, Works Cited, and it's all perfect. And that's how I will create a citation list manually by using the citation directly from Easybib to a Word document, and then manipulating the Word document so that it is properly formatted. And finally, over here in Easybib, the citation list situation. This citation list was created, and I can copy as I did, in MLA 9. Soon it will be MLA 10 and MLA 11 and so forth. I can also format this in any other format that I need. That's why I say we have to be a little forgiving with Easybib because it's a big website. It has a number of different format options. We are using MLA because we are a modern liberal college. And when you get to the university, they may want APA. And if they do, then we would click APA and it would change the format to this. And we'd repeat the process, same way, export. If all fails, copy the citation, paste it, and manipulate it. And we notice that in APA 7, it's called references, not works cited. But we are using for our purposes MLA, and that is works cited. That concludes this tutorial for what to do when all else fails.